Hi there. Have you been thinking about making a move, but you're not sure about the interest rates? You're also wondering about down payment. How much is your payment going to be? Well, I'm here to answer those questions. My name is Connie Sadowski, Coldwell Banker Realty. I'm your home girl. Come take a look at the newest listing. Welcome to the Village at Olentangy Crossing. This condo is an end unit on the lower level, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a study with French door entries, 9-foot ceilings. The open concept kitchen includes granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The washer and dryer are included. 2 full bedroom and 2 full bath, beautifully appointed. Enjoy a carefree lifestyle with lawn care, snow removal, and trash services included in the HOA, along with access to the community clubhouse, pool, fitness room, and scenic walking trails. I welcome you to call me and schedule your private tour. I'm Connie Sadowski, Coldwell Banker Realty, your home girl.